So today we're doing my first Micro ATX build. So this is going to be interesting. And the build that I'm doing are kind of just some spare parts that I have laying around, just enough to scrap together a PC build. There's some yellow goldish theme going on, some black and some RGB. So I was just pulling together parts that really look well together at the same time. This is going to be the build. It's going to be a montage slash time-lapse thing. And then I'm going to go over my overall conclusive thoughts on the entire build process and what it was like for me and what you can expect out of it if you're going to be doing your first Micro ATX build, or you're just here for the ride. That's cool too. So let's get into it. Let's start building, and I hope you enjoy the cinematography and music. So let's do it. So that was my first Micro ATX build, and that was featuring the Cooler Master Q300P, which is a really neat case, and I'll have all the products that were in the PC build listed in the description below. even though they don't really make sense put together. But if some of them look cool to you, like the fans for example, then they would be located there. So if you're looking for any of that stuff, it's going to be down in the description below, just so you guys know. But as far as my first experience goes and any sort of pointers I would have out of my first experience with the Micro ATX build, the biggest challenge I had was plugging everything into the motherboard after everything is installed. So what I would do is have the bracket or the mounts installed for your CPU cooler. So you pretty much have everything in there except for the CPU cooler and the GPU. So plug in everything into the motherboard and then install those afterwards. At least in my case, that's what worked out best for me, because I had to uninstall the CPU cooler and the GPU after it was installed, plug in everything, and then reinstall it. So I want to thank you guys for watching the video. This video was quite a bit of work, but I really liked how it came out. The whole entire cinematography and the music, I think, meshed really well with the theme of the build, even though it wasn't really a well-themed build besides the color scheme. If you guys enjoyed the video and you like the hard work and dedication I put into it, then leave a like. Also comment what your favorite scene was, or what your favorite part of the video was, what really brought you into it. I always like hearing your feedback. It helps a lot in so many different ways. And if you're new here and you want to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing and checking out the rest of the channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.